Hey guys, welcome to new video. 39 here. In today's video we got some little small return of gold from that washer. You see, this is a screws washer, and I got very decent amount. It's magnetic, but I will not use that for reverse electroplating or something similar. I will just use nitric acid. This is right now the fastest way for me, and this is the rare situation when I got some decent amount of this little stuff. The same manufacturing, this is the Siemens manufacturing, but I do not expect too much big yield from that. So okay, let's put that on the scale, and this is be just some decent small gold recovery video with the yield about screws washer. I hope that pronounced that very good, because sometime I just use a Google Translate for some items. Okay, so let's see how much weight we have here. 81.2 gram. So 81.2 gram, this little screws parts, and okay, put that in the beaker. Some nitric acid. The nitric will remove this inic plating, and the scrap metal will stay, because we not use too much nitric acid. Okay, you need to be careful when you use this type of method, because if you add, just need to watch when all the gold is removed from the metal parts, you just stop to add nitric acid, because if you add more and more nitric acid, you just use too much acid, but for nothing, for a very small amount of gold. Okay, for this and for I can use my gold stripping solution, but for now I'm just low with the sulfuric acid. I need to go to buy some acid for a couple of days, so I don't have any sulfuric acid right now, but never mind. In my gold recovery I use a lot of different process. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so everything is done. So probably you know already that if you do magnetic material with the nitric acid, you will have some problem with the rust, because the rust always return back in the solution from that magnetic parts. You see a couple of copper, mostly magnetic parts. So I clean that. This is right now no gold here. This is just junk, go in the waste bucket. But here in the filter I got some rust and some foil, some microscopic parts of foil. So all the gold will stay in the filter on the end. Okay, so rust and the gold is in the filter, and this is just metal. I will wash more one time with the water, and this go right now in the waste bucket, scrap metal waste bucket. Okay, after this stuff is finished with the filtration, I will process that with the aqua regia. Aqua regia will dissolve even rust and gold flakes. But you need to know that you can do that with a very small amount of material. If you do that with a half kilo material, you will make a big mess. So always do that when you very small material. Okay, because if you have a lot of rust, on the end you will need a lot more acid to dissolve all that rust. Okay. Okay guys, so let's see. This is from our metallic magnetic material, and if you see, this is our sediment. It's not too much, but look pure, not bad. Solution have iron inside, you see. So right now I'm gonna wash that and dry that, see how much gold we got from that magnetic material, okay? Okay guys, finally we are finished everything, and this is our gold from that metallic magnetic parts. Nice color, not bad. Only after the first drop my measure dish, and let's see, is that actually worth? Well, this is just disappointing pretty well. So only 0.1 gram of gold. Not the best. Yeah, but gold is pure, not bad. And yeah, so what we gonna do? So this is the result. This is the result of that little washers. Okay,